Today we will learn how to brew herbal tea and enjoy its numerous health benefits. So let's get started. First, gather the herbs of your choice. Whether it's chamomile, peppermint, or ginger, make sure they are fresh and organic. These herbs are packed with antioxidants and other compounds that promote well-being. Next, bring water to a gentle boil. While it heats up, prepare your herbs. Simply crush or chop them to release their natural oils and flavors. This step is crucial to getting the most out of your herbal tea. Now place your crushed herbs into a brewing vessel. It can be a tea infuser, a teapot with a built-in strainer, or even a simple mug with a loose-leaf tea filter. The choice is yours. Pour the hot water over the herbs and let them steep. Steeping time depends on the herb and your personal preference, but generally 5 to 10 minutes should do the trick. Keep in mind that longer steeping can result in a stronger taste. While your tea brews, take a moment to relax and embrace the calming aroma that fills the air. It's not just about the taste, it's an experience for all your senses. Once the steeping is complete, remove the herbs from the water. You can discard them or use them in other recipes if you prefer. Now it's time to savor your homemade herbal tea. Take a sip and allow the natural properties of the herbs to work their magic. Feel the warmth and comfort of each sip, knowing that you're nurturing your body from the inside out. Remember, herbal tea is a wonderful way to incorporate healthy habits into your life. It can boost your immune system, aid digestion, reduce stress, and so much more. Thank you for joining us today and learning how to brew herbal tea. We hope you enjoyed this journey into natural well-being. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.